Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a virtual machine in Google Cloud. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So first begin with searching the virtual machine in the search panel. This one. On your left we have some menu. Yeah. Then we press create instance. We set the name for the virtual machine. On your right you can see the price. This price is per month. And then there are a few options to select different types of machines, like storage optimized or general purpose. So there are a few types. We have the E2 type of virtual machine and then the N1 type of machine. We will start with E2. So we need to select the shared core and the instance type it will be E2 micro. We will have 1 gigabyte of RAM and 0.25 of shared core. So the most cheapest instance in E2 category. There are also beer machines there. Then we choose the standard model. The spot instances are like temporary machines and Google Cloud can fill them anytime. So they useful only for specific workloads. So if you don't know why you need spot instance, generally you don't need it. So we will choose the standard one in this case. But if we choose spot instance, for example, the price will be a lot smaller. Let's check it. You see, it will cost us almost the half of price. But in our case, we will select the the standard one. We select the recommended option here also, and then automatic restart also recommended. Yeah. And then we have few other options, but we need to go to the boot disk options. Click on change. We can select the disk size. In our case, in the smallest one, 10 gigabytes. We will choose Ubuntu, or you can choose something else if you want. There's some other option. You can create a custom image. Then if you want to have a website, you can allow HTTP traffic and HTTPS traffic to that VM. Then we will install Ops Agent. It's a very good tool because it will help you with monitoring and logging. There are also a few options on your left. So the monthly payment will be only $7. Let's check another type, N1. This seems to be a little cheaper. Let's check it. We select share core, F1 micro. It also will have 0.25 CPU, but only 614 megabytes of RAM. And you can see that it's only almost $5. So this one will be the cheapest one, the N1. Then we press create. And we wait. It can take few minutes. So now it's ready, our instance. We can connect to it. Clicking here. As you can see, it's uploading the key to the machine. We will authorize that. And now we have our instance. So hopefully this video was useful for someone. Please like, comment, subscribe, and like. Thank you for watching.